Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a 7-layer dip. First, ensure you have all 7 ingredients ready. Begin by spreading a 16-ounce can of refried beans evenly across the bottom of your 9x 13-inch serving dish. Next, gently spread a mixture of 1 cup of sour cream combined with 1 packet of taco seasoning over the bean layer. This creates a delicious and creamy foundation for your dip. Now, let's continue building those delicious layers. Carefully spread about 2 cups of your favorite guacamole over the seasoned sour cream. Take your time to ensure it's an even layer. Following the guacamole, generously sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese across the entire surface. Remember to spread each layer gently to keep them distinct and visually appealing. We're almost there. For the 5th layer, evenly distribute 1 cup of freshly diced tomatoes over the cheese. Next, add about 1/2 cup of sliced black olives, ensuring good coverage. Finally, for the 7th and final layer, sprinkle a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro over the top. This adds a burst of color and fresh flavor to your dip. Your amazing 7-layer dip is now complete. For the best flavor and texture, cover the dish and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your dip with sturdy tortilla chips, pita bread, or an assortment of fresh vegetable sticks. This recipe typically yields enough for 12 generous servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.